Hello guys, so welcome to my channel Advanced Coding Lab. Basically today, as you can see some components here, today we are going to create a circuit with the help of all these components. So basically the first thing I am going to explain about this particular board. So this is called breadboard. It looks like a bread, that's why the name is given breadboard. And in this breadboard you can see there are few segments or parts are there. Basically, if we see clearly or very much carefully, we can see there are four parts. One part is this, another part is this, and this one and this one. In between some gaps are there, correct? So these four parts are divided. Now first we need to know what are the functionality of these parts. Basically, what is breadboard? See, if we want to create any circuit, so we need to join so many wire, and joining wire, it's a headache sometime na. So with the help of this breadboard we can do it easily. As you can see here in this breadboard there are some holes. So if I tell you, if you can see this hole, this 1 2 3 4 5, all the holes are connected vertically. So if I put a connection here in the first hole and another connection is here at the last hole, so it will connect with each other. That means the connection will complete. So suppose I have put a wire here and another wire is here. So that means I can say this wire and this wire are connected. Same way, this is here, you can see some negative sign and positive sign. So if I put a wire here, basically in this section, this hole and the last hole, these are connected with each other. So if I connect a wire here and another wire here, that means it will complete the connection. We'll see when we'll create some series and parallel connection, we'll see how it works. So basically here I am having a LED. It's a yellow LED, and in this LED we can see there are two wire basically. One is a little bit longer, another one is a little bit shorter. And this longer connection is called, and this particular longer wire is called anode. Anode means positive, and this shorter wire is called cathode. Cathode means negative. So basically, if we use a battery to glow this LED, what do we need to do? We need to put the positive connection this side, means in the longer side, and negative connection at the shorter side. So let me show you how we can do this one in a. So let me show you how we can do this with the help of our breadboard. So basically what we will do first? First we will create one parallel connection. So parallel connection in the sense, suppose I am having one LED. So this LED, I need to first know which is the longer side, which is the shorter side. So in the same way, parallelly I need to keep another LED. See, this LED also is having one longer side, another one is shorter side. So this longer side is called anode, means positive, and shorter side is called cathode, means negative. So we need to keep both the LEDs in this way. So let me show you this in the breadboard. So I am having a breadboard, and we know these holes are connected. And as we know, these holes are connected vertically, correct? So let me do one thing. So longer side, let me put it here. So one pin I am putting it here in the longer side, another one I am putting in the shorter side. Now the same thing I need to do in which side the longer wire is there, that means anode side, I need to put the another LED is anode. So let me do in the same way. So now see, this is parallel connection, correct? Because these are parallelly connected. This one, even we can put more LEDs. Now let me put the battery here. So in the anode side, I am putting my positive, and in the cathode side, negative of the battery, correct? and here we can see it is glowing. So this is called parallel connection. Now we'll go for series connection. So let me explain the series connection first. So in the series connection, what will happen? This both the wire, first let me connect this first LED. So one is anode, another one is cathode. Now in another LEDs, anode will go with the cathode of the previous one. So let me connect it here. So as you can see, this is the series connection. Now with the help of this battery, basically anode side I need to put the positive one, and in the cathode side I need to put the negative one. So as you can see, these LEDs are glowing. So this is the series connection. So now you may think that you don't have this kind of equipments. So what you can do? Even if you don't have this kind of equipments, there are some website. In my next session, I will explain about that website. Even you don't have this kind of equipments, you can create the circuit in that website with the help of the same kind of components, and you can test your knowledge. So in my next session, I am going to explain about that particular site, and I will explain how you can configure this kind of circuits, even more complicated circuits with different components. So don't worry, even if you don't have, you can practice. So that's all for today. We'll see. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next session. Till then, bye and take care.